Hi, I'm Rose, and welcome to Castlewood Fields Ranch Homes. This is the lowest priced new ranch home community in Washington County with a pool, clubhouse, and fitness center. Low maintenance living with high-end inclusions. Not only is the location amazing, but having a new home without all of the maintenance of a used home makes Castlewood Fields Ranch Homes truly a unique opportunity. These homes include 3 to 5 bedrooms, up to 4 baths, tons of storage space, and a 2-car garage. The open floor plans are perfect for welcoming friends and family into your home. 9-foot ceilings throughout the main level lend a feeling of airiness. Sought-after details like granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, spacious islands, and more are included in every home. Enjoy an easier lifestyle with your owner's bedroom and everything you need right on the main level. Even your laundry room is conveniently located on the first floor. No more hauling hampers up and down stairs. Your home is truly designed with you in mind. Only a short 4-mile drive to Route 19, Waterdam Plaza, and Donaldson's Crossroads, plus an easy access to Interstate 79. In addition, Giant Eagle, Walgreens, and Atria's, Panera, gas stations, and more are all within 5 miles, making it easy to get to all of your daily conveniences. Plus, with lawn care and snow removal included, you can spend more time doing the things that you love most. You can cancel your current pool and gym memberships too, because a community pool, clubhouse, and fitness center will be included for all homeowners. There is so much I want to share with you about this great community in Washington County. I can't wait to welcome you home to Castlewood Fields Ranch Homes. Visit our website to take the next step.